Hello friends, welcome to Hello English. My name is Rupam and I welcome you all to my channel. In today's video, I will discuss with you two important things. Number one, how YouTube can make you rich. How YouTube can give you all the things you want in your life. Number two, why you should start a YouTube channel. So please watch till the end. I'm sure you will love this video. You will get a lot of information. And at the end of the video, you will be inspired, you will be motivated to start your own YouTube channel. So let's begin. Yes, it is true. YouTube can make you rich. There are so many YouTubers who are rich, from house to bungalows to car to traveling abroad. YouTubers have done this. You can earn in millions if you have a good YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you my experience. After failing so many times, today I'm here in this position. I know you also have in mind to start a YouTube channel. Or maybe you already have a channel, but you are not working on it. You may think, well, I don't know how to make contents. I'm not good at anything. I feel nervous in front of the camera. I am not a good-looking person. These all things are just a thought of your mind. This is just a block in your mind, which is stopping you to start your own YouTube channel, to start dreaming big, to start living a rich life. We all are born with some qualities. Maybe you are good in cooking. Start a cooking channel. Maybe you are good in photography. You can start a photography channel. Maybe you are good making people laugh. You can make people laugh very easily. You can start a comedy channel. Or you are good in teaching. Start a teaching channel. Teach people like me. Or you love traveling. Start a traveling channel. What is stopping you? Nothing is stopping you. It's just you. You are stopping yourself. Let me tell you my story. I was a corporate guy. Like many of you guys, I also used to go to office. I used to work sometimes day shift, sometimes night shift. I was so tired. I was fed up with this routine. Working for someone, getting some salary at the end of the month. I was not happy with that. I wanted to do something big. So I decided to quit my job. I stopped going to office. I resigned and I started a YouTube channel. But you may say, well, this channel is very new. It's only 5 months old. Yes, my dear friends, I had a channel. Now also it is there. It is called Sil's Guitar Class. This is the channel. You may like it. It was a guitar teaching channel. After giving up my job, I joined a school. This idea which I had in my mind is that for YouTube, I will need at least 2 to 3 hours. Working in a company will not help me because I have to go to office, spend the whole day or the entire night if it is a night shift, then come home, eat, sleep. That's all I was doing. So I decided to quit the job and start with something small. I joined a school as a guitar teacher, as a music teacher. When I started working as a teacher, side by side, I started my YouTube channel. But within few months, I realized the channel is not working. Believe me, my dear friends, every day, the day I started my channel, I used to work 2 to 3 hours every day. My channel was not growing. I was sad. I was shocked. Because I can see all around the YouTube, people are growing. But my YouTube channel was not growing. It didn't get monetized. My subscriber base didn't increase. I thought, let me buy a camera. I got a GoPro. the one which I'm shooting now. With this camera also, it didn't help. I love traveling, so I decided to open another channel. It will be related to some traveling and spirituality. It's called Sil Sunshine Yoga. Brushing your teeth, making a cup of tea or coffee, or... But after working for a few months, I realized this is also a flop for me. I'm not growing at all. I became a teacher and a YouTuber, but I'm a failed YouTuber. 6 months back, I decided I will not work in these two channels. I have to grow in life. I have to make money. I have to help people. But this is not helping me. So how can I help others? So I decided to start this channel. Keeping in mind that whatever happens, I will prove myself that yes, I can also become a good YouTuber. I can become a successful person in life. I can become a successful YouTuber also. Keeping that in mind, I started making contents. And by God's grace, by your grace, with all the love and support you have shared with me, today I'm here in this position with 80,000 subscribers in just 5 months' time. It's a great achievement for me, an emotional achievement for me, believe me. So if I can do, why can't you? We are not different. I'm not someone who is born with some high talent. I'm not that type of person. I'm just a simple guy like you all. If I can do, you can do. You can do better than me. This is one reason why you should start your own channel. Let's come to the next point. Why you should start a YouTube channel. So before I explain you why you should start a YouTube channel, let me tell you some challenges which I faced so that you get mentally prepared. The first challenge is to get good contents. You have to work hard. Coming up with unique and outstanding contents is essential. That is the first thing, that is the foundation how we can improve and grow your channel. The second point is build an audience from scratch. YouTube is such a platform. It's like a business. You open a shop and you have to wait for the customers to come. So YouTube is similar to that. You open a channel, you have to get good contents, good videos, so that people get attracted to your videos. Initial phase will be really difficult because YouTube will only promote your videos when people watch your videos, when people start loving your videos. And that is how you can build your subscriber base. The third challenge which you can come across is when you make videos and you get very less views. It demotivates you. I will seriously tell you, it is a point when you will feel that I have to give up. This is a time when we feel low. It happened with me so many times. But you should not give up. Keep making videos. First 50 videos. You should not expect anything. Keep uploading videos. From my experience, I'm saying that. Number 4. When monetization takes a long time, we get upset, we get frustrated because at the end of the day, we all need money. And unless your YouTube channel is monetized, you won't be able to earn money. So to earn money, you need to get views. To get views, you need to make good videos. So you need to keep in mind that you need to make your videos such that people get attracted to your videos. Got it? Now finally, let's understand why you should start your YouTube channel. Number 1, YouTube channel is the second largest search engine in the world. If we need something, suppose if I have to find out how to face an interview, the first place I will search is Google. The second place where I will search is YouTube. So YouTube has such a wide base of customers. When you make videos in YouTube, there is a possibility that people from all around the world will view your videos. The second point, YouTube enables you to demonstrate your expertise and share your knowledge. YouTube is such a platform where you can show your talent, where you can share your knowledge with others. People can learn from you, and it is a blessing. Number 3. YouTube is an excellent platform for documenting one's life and experiences. You will be able to understand what all videos you made, what type of person you were. If you have a traveling blog, where all you traveled, you will be able to document everything. Next, YouTube is also an excellent medium for reaching a global audience. I make videos for you guys, and believe me, my dear friends, I get messages from all around the world. I get comments from Brazil, from Cambodia, from Australia, from Canada, from many African countries, even from China and Thailand, Pakistan, Bangladesh. I get motivated. It inspires me to make more and more videos for you all. To all my subscribers, I wish you all the best in your life. Do well, keep learning in life. So if you have a channel, if you can grow your channel, you will also experience this happiness. People will message you from all around the world and you will feel so happy. Finally, your YouTube channel can be monetized through Google AdSense. We all wait for the day when our channel will get monetized. And to earn more, you have to make more videos. Leaving my company job and switching to school as a teacher was not easy. Failing in YouTube for continuous 3 years was not an easy task to handle, but I never gave up. I wanted to grow in life. I wanted to grow with YouTube. Now also I am a teacher, but most of my money, most of my revenue comes from YouTube. I started earning for the last 3 months, and I'm happy to tell you, my dear friends, that more than my school job, more than my tuitions, I'm earning from YouTube. It's just not only YouTube. I'm getting messages, emails from so many clients. They want to collaborate with me. They want me to write something for them for which they will pay to me. Such an amazing thing, right? So tell me now, are you motivated? You want to start your channel? I will be waiting for your comments. Think of a name and write in the comments so that others can also see your comment and they get motivated. They get inspired from you. I wish you all the very best. Thank you so much.